In this video, we're going to work on finding a missing number, and it's in a pattern. We have to try to find the pattern in a sequence of numbers. So if we have a problem like this that says fill in the missing number in the pattern, and we have a sequence of numbers, and this is the blank we're trying to find. So step one, to find the pattern, start with the number in the sequence. So the first number. Start with the first number in the sequence, which is 5, and see how the number changes. So when you go from 5 to 12, what do? Well, you could just count on your fingers from 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We add 7. So look at how much to add to each number to get the next number. So like we said, to go from 5 to 12, we add 7. And then we can look at the other ones, and it's the same thing. From going from 12 to 19, you add 7. From 19 to 26, you add 7. So it's add 7 each time. So now, step 2, determine the rule. The rule is to add 7 each time. Add 7 to 26 to get the next number. So the next number is 26 plus 7, which is 33. 33 is the missing number. So this is how the pattern looks, right? You add 7 each time, and 33 is the missing number. And that's how you do this problem. And don't worry if you didn't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video. There's nothing wrong with repetition. If you take a look at the description, you'll find links to other videos of mine that are similar to this if you need extra help. As well, you could download an excellent resource, the ebook that I wrote. And in that ebook, you could find this exact lesson, and you can watch the video as you read along in the lesson in the ebook. And make sure to like and subscribe if you feel you've learned something. And thank you so much for listening.